Yo guys, welcome to this video, and this is going to be my update for my shorts that I've been doing on my new channel that I created. This is going to be the day 5 update, and I'm going to keep making these updates to show you the progress and the possibilities that you can reach with this new method that people are doing with YouTube shorts. So things are going pretty good on the channel, things are picking up, so we'll just dive straight into the analytics for the channel. Okay, so you can see I started this on the 13th of July 2025, so this is now day 5, and so the last 28 days we're looking at 500 and almost 510,000 views, 2.7k watch time, 261 subscribers. The subscribers go up quite a bit, as you can see here. 9 subscribers, then 49 subscribers, then 72, now 81 subscribers, as well as the views. They just keep going up. First day we got 11,000 views, then 118k, then 129k, then it dipped a bit to 116k. Now we got yesterday, July 17th, 133k onto the views, which is pretty good. And over the last 48 hours, almost 258,000 views with 11,000 subscribers. So I'm going to keep running this shorts channel. I'm not going to be branching out into any other channels while I'm running this channel. So the goal will be to get this specific one to earning between $5,000 and $7,000 per month in AdSense revenue, and then we can start looking at starting new channels in different niches. Because if you've got a winning formula that is working for you on YouTube, you might as well double down on that and create more channels, but only create more channels when you are established with your one channel. So let's possibly start a new channel, and I'll also document that one, possibly at 100,000 subscribers. We can get that silver play button, and things are going to be looking pretty good. So I'm going to be going over in this video. So you've seen the analytics now. You can see they are pretty good, about 250,000, 260,000 views every 48 hours, 133,000 views every day, which is pretty good. And as you can see, for the revenue, this is a monetized channel. So on the first day we did get $1.33, then $10.11, then $14.81, and then $12.46. So that's pretty good, and that's just going to go up as we continue to do this channel. So basically what I'm going to be doing now is I'm not going to reveal my specific channel, but I'm going to reveal the niche to you and other channels doing similar videos in the same niche, so you can model after these videos and possibly create a channel like this for yourself and create some success with YouTube shorts. And you can also do this because this doesn't take a lot of time per day. This takes like 1 hour to 2 hours per day. So you can run your search-based channel and you can run your shorts channel at the same time, which is what I'm doing. So I'll go over onto YouTube and show you what I'm talking about. So if we go over to a channel just like this, this channel is called Upfeed, and they're doing the exact same thing. They all have a goal here to get to 1 mil. So currently they got 162k subscribers with 128 videos. So you'll notice with these shorts channels is that you don't have to upload a lot of videos in order to get a lot of subscribers and a lot of views. So with just 128 videos, they were able to hit over 100,000 subscribers and 262 million views. Now to try and do this on long form content is going to take years and years, and they just started this February 2nd 2024, so that's really good. Okay, and this is the type of content. I'm on their shorts tab right here, and this is the type of content they're creating, just these simple shorts. So let me just play one right now. Let's go for this lemonade scam. Okay,
this is how a lot of places trick you. When you ask to upgrade from a medium,
so I'll just pause it because of the music. So what you'll do is you'll take notice of the short, and I just paused it for the music, but you'll get the original. So basically you have a video and you have captions and you have a voiceover. So the video part you get from the original, you source the original video, and then you edit the original video to your own liking with your own captions and your own original voiceover, and then that makes the video fair use, and you're able to monetize that video, and you're not going to be demonetized if you do it that way. If you just take this video, download it, and upload it onto your channel, then you're not going to be able to get monetized because that's reused content. But if you take the original video that you source from, let's just say TikTok, and normally you can go into the description. Let me just refresh this. I think my computer is freezing a bit. Okay. So if you edit the original TikTok to your own liking with your own specific captions that you get in CapCut Pro and your own voiceover, it can be your voiceover or an AI voiceover. I personally just use an AI voiceover and I use 11 Labs. So usually you can source the original clip by going to the description, and this one doesn't have the credits. Okay, so you can find another channel, and to find these channels you can just scroll these videos, and let's just say you like the video, you just like the video, go to this one, you like it, okay, and then your shorts feed on your computer or your phone is going to be curated to show you all the viral shorts that you can go ahead and model, create your own version and upload that onto your shorts channel, which is great. So let's go into the description of this channel, and they don't give credit, so I'll just find one where they give credit. Okay, I don't think that one did. Okay, so you can see my shorts feed is pretty curated to show me these viral clips, which is what you want, and then you just go, yeah. So you can see credit, lumberjack jumps. Okay, so I believe that's on TikTok. So you'll copy that, you can go onto TikTok, and you can just hit the search button here on TikTok, and you can paste that in there, lumberjack jumps. Okay, that could be a YouTube channel, so let me type it in on YouTube. Okay, at lumberjack jumps, and I think this is the original. No, but you'll just find the original either on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, and then you'll be good to go. And then you edit that in CapCut, and I'll just show you how to do something similar so you have a good understanding of how to actually do it. So let's just find a video with proper credits. Okay, I'm going to go to the description, and here's the credits on Instagram, Kawasaki. Okay, so it's a motorbike and a motorcyclist. So I'm going to go over to Instagram. Okay, Instagram, and I'm going to paste that username in, and I'll show you how to make a video like this. So I'm going to go search, and then I'm going to type in that @ handle, and here it is right here. So I'm going to click onto it, and basically you want to find that original viral. So it could be this one. Yeah, it's this one right here. So you can see that's the original one right there without any voiceover or anything. So then you can take that link, you can go to Snap Insta, and you can snap insta.2, you can paste in the Instagram link, you can download it, okay, and just watch an ad, and then you'll be able to download it. You'll notice I haven't spent any money yet in order to do this, and you can do it either with captions or without captions. So then you can spend a few dollars per month on actual CapCut Pro. So now the original is downloading. Now I need the actual voiceover. So how do you do that? Well, you come over to that one that we saw. Okay, this one I believe it was.
This is why cheating backfires.
No, that's not it at all. So it was on this channel. If I just go back. Okay, let me just try to find it quick. Yeah, this was on my shorts feed, this one right here. So I'm going to copy the link to this specific YouTube short, and I'm going to go to this website called downsub.com, and I'm going to refresh it, and I need to paste in the link here and then click on download, and we need the actual script of that YouTube short. So here it is. It's going to give you a text file right here, and you'll get pop-ups, but just click on text file and then that'll download. So I'm just going to call this cyclist and then hit download, and now you can see here's the actual script of that video, and I've got the original here. So you can see here, when this biker noticed a cyclist climbing up the road, he tested him, okay, and basically, okay, so just take out where it says music, and basically I'm going to copy that. Now I'm going to go over to ChatGPT. So you go over to ChatGPT, you start a new chat, and then you paste in ChatGPT. You can say reword this script, keeping the same tone, style, and pace, and then you basically paste it in there, and there you'll have your own original script. Basically you copy that. Now you go over to 11 Labs. Let me see how many credits I have here. 17. That should be enough. And the voice I like to use on 11 Labs is Bill. It sounds pretty good, so I'm going to paste that in there. Click on generate speech, and then you would take that original video and your voiceover and edit it in CapCut.
Climbing.
So that's just generating the speech or the voiceover. So you can open up CapCut in the meantime and just throw in the original video. So you're going to create a new project, and you're going to import. Okay, we're going to go to downloads. Let's see where this is, the bicycle one, and we need that voiceover, so I'm going to download it, and we're going to import that into our video. So here, this is how simple this editing is. You put the original video on that track, then you put the voiceover in this track, and then you match it up, so whatever they're saying, make sure it makes sense. So, and then if you want to add captions, you click on captions, and then you go auto captions. Okay, auto captions, then you have a nice video, and you can add some background music if it's non-copyright, and then you export that and you upload that onto your channel. Try to do it once per day when you're first starting out, because you want to warm up your channel basically. So do it one time per day in the beginning for the first, let's say, week. Then you ramp it up if you're getting views. Like if every video of yours is hitting like 20-30k views, then you can do twice a day for a week. Then you should be getting even more views, and you can even go up to 6 times per day to be able to get the most views possible. So I hope this method's starting to make sense. I updated you now. This is day 5. I'll keep going with these updates so you can see what's possible. If you're getting stuck at any point in the process, you can comment down below. I'll help you out. Make sure to drop a like on this video, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.